Hello, my name's Steve Mills. Today I'm here to talk to you about why marketing is hard. I don't think it actually is in many ways, but in some ways it certainly is. It's hard to get right. That's the problem. So many people do marketing, and they often do marketing without any training, without any knowledge, and they do it in a sort of what I call an okay way. It's not particularly that they're bad at it, they're just not great at it. And to get results from your marketing, which I believe is the purpose of marketing, by the way, it's not just about, brand awareness, getting out there, getting known. No, I want a return on investment. That's what I want from my marketing. I want marketing to be known as lead generation, not brand awareness, because brand awareness you can't put in the bank. If you get a lead and you're good at converting those leads, that goes into the bank, that turns up as profit in your business. And I have always believed in marketing that you need to really have a goal in terms of, how much you're looking to try to win for every marketing pound you spend. So for me, if I spend a pound, I'm looking to get at least 10 back. I'd like to think that I'd get 10 back. I don't always achieve that, by the way. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more, but that's always the goal. So you might want to think about that for your business, and it'll depend on what market you're in and what industry and how big your average unit of sale is. You know, if you're selling something for 10 million pounds, you're probably not going to, create a sale every time you do any marketing. It's probably only going to be a few sales a year. But for most of us, it's a really good measurement of what you do. So if marketing is hard, then what are you going to do about it? What can you do in order to grow your business? And the bottom line is you've got to do one or two things. You've got to either improve your marketing skills, become better at marketing, or you've got to find somebody with those skills and outsource it to them. So they're the two options, really. And, they're certainly both of them I think are important. I think it's not no good just going, oh, well, I'll let somebody else handle it. You need to know enough so that you know what good looks like. And the other thing that you need to do is to make sure that you measure your marketing. That's probably the biggest mistake that I see with most small business owners. They have no clue where their leads are coming from, how many leads they got even. They don't know how many people visited their website or how many people they're connected to on LinkedIn, or even how many messages that they get, communication going between them. So all these things are incredibly important. That's about all I've got to say, other than if you want to know more from me, just, subscribe to my channel. Go and find my podcast on my website, which is results-mastery.com. Sign up for one of my webinars or give me a call. Let's book a meeting. Let's have a conversation about you and your business and where we might take it together. So again, you can do all that on my website. You can see the link to my website is on the wall behind me. So get yourself signed up, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Thank you.